everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with an unboxing video and first impressions of the brand new BLU VIVO X5. So it's a new budget series phone. It's $99 MSRP, but for a limited time you can get it while supplies last for $79.99. So pretty sweet deal. It's got an 8-core processor. It's got a 5.7-inch 18:9 aspect ratio screen, a 13 megapixel shooter. It's got an 8 megapixel selfie camera, 64 gigabytes of storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM. It's got a fingerprint sensor, Android 9.0 Pie, and it's unlocked for GSM networks. So pretty cool, huh? Well, let's go ahead and open up the box and see what's on the inside and get to the next portion of the video. All right, so here we are up close and personal with the brand new BLU VIVO X5. Again, this is their new budget entry phone. You can get it for $99.99 MSRP, but it's on sale right now for a limited time while supplies last for $79.99, which is a really good deal. And it's already a good deal at 99 bucks. For 79 bucks, you can't beat it. It's got a 5.7-inch display on it, the 8-core processor, 13 megapixel camera with LED flash on the back, an 8 megapixel selfie camera on the front with an LED flash, 64 gigs of storage, 3 gigs of RAM. It's got a fingerprint sensor, and of course it's got Android 9.0 Pie running on it. So pretty cool, especially for what it has to offer at the price point. Now, one interesting thing about this phone is it actually has a removable battery, which is something I haven't seen in a long time. It's got the leather back on it, which is cool. It's kind of a hard textured leather back. It's not like a nice soft plush leather or anything like that. So it is neat though. It's a novel concept for them to go ahead and do. And again, some of the spec information is reiterated on the little screen cover here. But as soon as you take that off, we'll get access to the full 5.7-inch HD Plus display. It's got an 18:9 aspect ratio widescreen display. Got the power button and the volume rockers over there on the right hand side, so you can adjust those. All right, so let's see what else is left inside the box here. All right, so the first thing we have is our headphones. So you got these nice little earphones. It's got a built-in microphone so you can answer the phone while you're listening to your tunes. It's got the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which of course is included on the device, so you're good to go there. Then we've got our charging cable, which is a micro USB charging cable. It's kind of a step back from the USB-C, but at 79 bucks, I really don't have any heartburn with that whatsoever. And here's our removable battery. It's 2800 milliamps. So with the 5.7-inch screen, it should get you through all day, no problem, especially with that full HD plus, the HD plus resolution. So 720p is less taxing on the processor. So since it doesn't have to produce such a high resolution and all that other good stuff, it lasts much longer whenever you pair that, especially with a low power 8-core processor. All right, so to get the battery inside of the case, you have to find the little notch, and it should be right around the edge. Let's take a look. And there we go. So it's on the bottom right-hand corner. There's a little notch there by the screen. You just pop that off, and that's how you go ahead and put the battery inside of the phone. Additionally, on the inside, you have access to both of the SIM card ports, so you can rock dual SIMs with this phone. And you also have a storage capacity for an external SD card you can put in there as well. So two SIM cards, one SD card slot in there. All right, so go ahead and put the back on the phone, press the power button, and we should be cooking with gas. Yep, there we go. We got our little BLU logo. Time to power up, got the splash screen. There's your BLU documentation, so if you feel like reading that, go right ahead. Here's our charging brick, which is included. Should be quick charge. I think it's just basic quick charge. So you get your power brick there. You got your nice little startup animation. There's the installation documentation for the SIM card. There's your BLU swag, so if you want to put that sticker on something, you're good to go. And then this wouldn't be a BLU phone if it didn't have an included case to go along with it. That's one nice thing about BLU, is that they give you a case and a screen protector to go along with your brand new phone, which is super important because there's not a whole lot of aftermarket accessories for BLU phones, especially when they first come out. So it's great that they go ahead and include this clear protective case to go along with it, which not only keeps your phone protected, but still allows you to show off the gorgeous leather backing that it has on it as well. It is a little bit of a pain in the rear to put on. The corners here seem to be kind of turned in a little bit, and that's just because it hasn't been put on the phone yet. So that'll help keep it in place, but it is a little bit irritating, and I popped up the screen protector there putting this on, but that's not that big of a deal. There is another screen protector on the inside of the box, so just lift the corner there and it should go right on. All right, so here we are with our screen protector. Actually, oh, we have two screen protectors. So we have this film style screen protector, which we had to replace the one that's already on there in case we mess it up, like I just did. And then this one, it looks like it's a glass screen protector. Yep, so you have a tempered glass screen protector as well. So really cool there. All right, so now that we're done with the unboxing portion, let's take a look at the brand new BLU VIVO X5. So you can see the leather backing there in full display, along with the 13 megapixel camera on the back with the LED flash. It looks really nice. The screen actually looks really good on it. It has nice vibrant colors, especially with the already pre-installed background that's on there. So you can get a closer look at it here. Of course, it has the 8 megapixel camera on the front with the selfie LED flash as well. It has a nice balanced feel to it, especially once you put the battery in it. But you can see that the overall display brightness looks pretty good there. The color contrast is nice. You got to look at the cameras and the fingerprint sensor on the back there, as well as that leather back. There's nothing on the bottom. The charging port is actually on the top, which is kind of surprising. Here's a close-up look at the 13 megapixel camera, the LED flash, and the fingerprint sensor, so you can get a better feel for those. And then it's running a pretty much stock version of Android 9.0 Pie. You can see that's all that's actually installed on the phone. It's got the app drawer if you swipe up. It's got the Google Assistant feed if you swipe over to the right. And then you get your quick settings. If you swipe down from the top of the screen, it's got all the standard stuff there. Overall, it has everything you need for performance, and it's a nice little basic phone. I went ahead and registered my fingerprint so you can see how well the fingerprint sensor works there. That's with the screen all the way off. That's how fast it starts up. And then if you turn the screen on already, it does work a little bit faster. And then I also set up the facial recognition so we can see that as well. Ta-da! So you can see the facial recognition actually works pretty darn well. It's pretty quick. So that's a nice added biometric feature as well. All right, so that's all I've got on the BLU VIVO X5, the unlocked smartphone that only costs $99 right now. You can get it for 79 bucks. It's a fantastic little device, 8-core processor. It's got 64 gigabytes of internal storage. You got the 5.7-inch HD Plus display. It's got lots of things going for it, especially the great introductory price. So if you can pick this up for $79.99, you're getting a pretty good deal in my opinion. It's got the headphone jack on there still, charge it with micro USB. But overall, it's a fancy little phone. I even like the little leather back edition that they tossed on there. Fingerprint sensor, facial unlocking. It's got pretty much everything you could ask for at a budget price. And of course, it's running Android 9.0 Pie, which is, I think, pretty good, especially for the price again. So that's all I've got on the BLU VIVO X5. It's a fancy little number that BLU came out with, and you can pick it up today if you're interested in it. So that's all I got. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. As always, thanks for tuning in. If you like the video, hit the like and the subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell for all the latest and greatest. And I'll see you guys next time.